Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake, that is advantages of micropartition. Already we have seen about the what is micropartition and benefits of micropartition. The advantages, unlike static partitioning in Snowflake, the micropartitions derived automatically. There is no need to explicitly define it. In static partitioning, that is a traditional that we are having the database. What we will do, we will explicitly specify the partition name while creating the table itself. Here, there is no need of it. Will automatically the micro partitions will be created by the Snowflake. If table is large, there is no need to worry. Snowflake will create millions of micro partition automatically, but each micro partition will contain the maximum of 500 MB of the compressed data. Whatever be the size you are having, it might be having some terabytes of data or more than that. But whenever the data is loaded, it is automatically derived into the micro partition, and maximum size of this micro partition is 500 MB. Fine-grained pruning of queries. What is this fine-grained pruning of queries? Whenever we issue any query, normally in our traditional the database or static partitioning, what happens there is it will scan the entire table. Whenever where data is required, it will go for the scanning of the table. But here, it's not like that. It will go for the particular partition, and it won't scan the unwanted data. The word pruning means it is getting cut off. That means there is no need of scanning the unwanted data or unneeded data. That is the fine-grained pruning of query. So it will be very quicker, and we will get the information very fast. Okay. The columns are stored independently in the micropartition, and so efficient scanning is possible. Why? How it is possible means we are storing the data in the columnar format. Okay. It is stored in the form of columnar format. Okay. That is why we are able to do the efficient scanning. Only the columns referenced by the query are scanned. Whenever we issue any query, okay, but the columns referenced by the particular query only will be scanned. There is no need of scanning the entire thing. I will explain about how the cloud services layer handling this query. With the help of one example, if I tell, you can easily understand it. Okay, only columns referenced by the query are scanned. These are all the main advantages of the micro partition. We will see in the next topic, in the next video. Thanks. Bye. Kindly share and subscribe this channel.